Let's do this! What's up everybody? Young TV here, and if you're ready to blow up your channel and hit that 1,000 subscriber milestone like it's nothing, you're in the right place. We're talking about the strategies, the secrets, the stuff that'll take you from zero to hero in the YouTube game. Get ready to take some notes because we're about to dive into the tips and tricks that actually work. We're going to break it all down step by step so you can start seeing real results. First things first, we got to talk about your content. It's the heart and soul of your channel, the very reason people will keep coming back for more. Without quality content, everything else falls apart. You can have the best equipment, the most engaging thumbnails, and the catchiest titles, but if your content doesn't deliver, none of that matters. Think of it like this. You wouldn't believe me if I told you I was giving away $1 million and then just handed you a napkin, right? It's all about setting expectations and then exceeding them. Your audience is smart. They know when they're being shortchanged. If you promise them something amazing, you better deliver on that promise. Your content is your $1 million. It's gotta be good, like seriously good. We're talking about high production value, engaging storytelling, and top-notch editing. Every frame, every second of your video should scream quality. This is what sets you apart from the countless other creators out there. What's the one thing people are actually coming to your channel for? Give it to them, and make it even better than they could imagine. Dive deep into your niche, understand what your audience craves, and then over-deliver. Whether it's tutorials, entertainment, or reviews, make sure you're providing immense value. High production value, creative ideas, the works. Don't just settle for the bare minimum. Invest in good equipment, learn the ins and outs of video editing, and always be on the lookout for new and innovative ways to present your content. The effort you put into your videos will be evident to your viewers. Don't be afraid to get a little weird with it. Experimentation is key to finding what works best for you and your audience. Try out different formats, styles, and topics. Sometimes the most unexpected ideas can turn into your most popular videos. Embrace your creativity and let it shine through your content. The more unique your content, the more it's going to stand out. In a platform flooded with videos, uniqueness is your best friend. Create eye-catching thumbnails, write compelling titles, and most importantly, make sure your content is something that can't be found anywhere else. This is what will make viewers click on your video and stay till the end. And trust me, in a sea of endless videos, standing out is everything. It's not just about getting noticed, it's about being remembered. When viewers think of a particular type of content, your name should be the first that comes to mind. This kind of recognition is what builds a loyal audience. Remember, we're not just aiming for views, we're aiming for subscribers. Views are great, but subscribers are the ones who will keep coming back for more. They're the ones who will engage with your content, share it with others, and help you grow your channel. Building a loyal subscriber base should be your ultimate goal. And subscribers? They're all about that quality. They subscribe because they trust you to consistently deliver high-quality content. So never compromise on quality. Keep pushing yourself to create the best content possible, and your subscribers will reward you with their loyalty and support. You could have the best video in the world, but if your thumbnail and title are weak sauce, nobody's clicking. This is your first impression, your chance to grab attention in a split second. Think bold, think eye-catching, think clickbait. Okay, maybe not clickbait, but you get the idea. Your thumbnail needs to be visually appealing, something that makes people stop scrolling and say, "What is that? I gotta see this." And the title? Short, punchy, and to the point. Tell them exactly what they're gonna get, and don't be afraid to use emojis. Emojis are your friends. They add personality and make your titles pop. Remember, we're playing the algorithm game here, people. We gotta think strategically. Chapter 3. Consistency is key. The algorithm loves it. Alright, let's talk about consistency. Consistency is the backbone of any successful YouTube channel. It's not just about uploading videos, it's about creating a reliable pattern that your audience can depend on. When viewers know when to expect new content, they are more likely to return to your channel regularly. The YouTube algorithm? It's like a hungry beast, constantly craving fresh content. This algorithm is designed to keep viewers engaged on the platform for as long as possible. The more content you provide, the more opportunities the algorithm has to promote your videos to a wider audience. And you know what happens when you feed a hungry beast? It grows bigger and stronger. Similarly, when you consistently upload quality content, your channel grows in visibility and reach. The algorithm starts to recognize your channel as a reliable source of content, which can lead to more recommendations and higher rankings in search results. That's what we want for your channel. We want to see those metrics soar, with more views, likes, comments, and subscribers. Celebrating these milestones is important because it keeps you motivated and shows that your hard work is paying off. Set a schedule and stick to it like glue. Planning your content in advance and setting specific days and times for uploads can help you stay organized and consistent. Use tools like calendars, alarms, and content planners to keep track of your schedule and ensure you never miss an upload. Whether it's 1 video a week, 2 videos a week, or even daily uploads, find a pace you can maintain and make it your religion. It's better to start with a manageable schedule and gradually increase your frequency as you become more comfortable with the process. Find a pace you can maintain and make it your religion. Consistency doesn't mean you have to burn yourself out. It's about finding a sustainable rhythm that allows you to produce high-quality content without compromising your well-being. Take time to brainstorm and plan your videos so you always have fresh ideas ready to go. The more consistent you are, the more the algorithm will reward you. Consistency signals to the algorithm that your channel is active and engaging, which can lead to more exposure and growth. As your metrics improve, you'll see a positive feedback loop where increased visibility leads to more engagement, and more engagement leads to even greater visibility. It shows that you're serious about your channel, and that you're here to play the long game. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time and dedication. By consistently uploading content and engaging with your audience, you demonstrate your commitment to your channel's growth and longevity. And trust me, the long game is where it's at. Success on YouTube doesn't happen overnight. It's a journey filled with ups and downs, but with persistence and consistency, you can achieve your goals and reach new heights. So keep climbing, stay consistent, and watch your channel thrive. Chapter 4. 2 heads are better than 1. Collaborate. Listen up, because this is a big one. Collaborations. Remember that saying, teamwork makes the dream work? Well, it's true, especially on YouTube. Find other creators in your niche, people with a similar audience size and interest, and reach out to them. Do a collab video, a shout-out, anything to get your channel in front of new eyes. This is huge for growth because it introduces you to a whole new audience that might not have found you otherwise. Plus, it's just fun to work with other creators. You can bounce ideas off each other, learn from each other, and create some epic content together. It's a win-win situation. Chapter 5. Engage with your squad. Community is everything. Last but not least, let's talk about your community. Your community is the backbone of your channel. They are the ones who watch your videos, share your content, and support you through thick and thin. Without them, your channel wouldn't be where it is today. So it's crucial to nurture and engage with them consistently. Because at the end of the day, subscribers aren't just numbers, they're real people who are genuinely interested in what you have to offer. So engage with them. Take the time to read their comments, understand their perspectives, and appreciate their feedback. This not only makes them feel valued but also helps you improve your content. Respond to comments and don't just give generic replies. Personalize your responses to show that you genuinely care about what they have to say. This small gesture can go a long way in building a loyal community. Run polls to get their opinions on what kind of content they want to see next. Do Quandas to answer their burning questions and make them feel heard. These interactive sessions can create a deeper connection between you and your audience. Make them feel like they're a part of something special, because they are. Showcasing fan art, giving shoutouts, and thanking them in your videos can make a huge difference. It shows that you recognize and appreciate their support. They're the reason you're doing this in the first place. Never forget that. Their enthusiasm and support are what keep you going, even on the toughest days. So, always make an effort to show your gratitude. Building a strong community takes time and effort, but it's so worth it. It requires consistent engagement, genuine interactions, and a lot of patience. But the rewards are immense. A strong community can provide you with valuable insights, unwavering support, and a sense of belonging. When you have a loyal and engaged audience, they become your biggest supporters. They will cheer you on, celebrate your successes, and stand by you during challenges. Their loyalty is priceless. They'll be the ones sharing your videos, leaving comments, and spreading the word about your channel. Their word-of-mouth recommendations can bring in new viewers and help your channel grow exponentially, and telling their friends about your channel. This organic growth is invaluable and can lead to a more engaged and loyal audience. So always encourage your community to share your content and spread the word. And that, my friends, is how you create a YouTube empire. By building a strong, engaged, and loyal community, you lay the foundation for long-term success. So, invest in your community, nurture those relationships, and watch your channel thrive. Now go crush it. So there you have it, my friends, the secrets to unlocking rapid YouTube growth. Now it's time to put these tips into action. Remember, success on YouTube doesn't happen overnight. It takes hard work, dedication, and a whole lot of hustle. But if you're willing to put in the effort, I know you can achieve anything you set your mind to. And hey, while you're at it, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any future videos. Let's do this!